Hiya, welcome back. So on this miserable, rainy, windy, cold day, Thursday in Liverpool, I've got a couple of scratch cards to do. Got cash vault, 2 777s, a diamond riches, double match and a top jog. First of all, got 2 shout outs. First one is going out to Liz Celtic Green. Hiya, welcome. She's a new subscriber. Welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy it. And the next one is to DJ Steve. He's come over from George and Piggy. Thank you so much, DJ Steve. Hope you enjoy my videos. George is fantastic. He's been such a great support for me, and he's helping me out and advice, and he keeps giving me little shout outs, bless him and Piggy and Porky. So thank you so much for coming over and checking out my channel. Hope you enjoy. So let's get started on these. We'll go for the top jog. Let's see if we can win anything on here. I've gone back to me Britannia £2 coin. Is that focused? Yeah. Okay. 40, 2 and 5. 20, 240. 10, 100, 5. Nope. Okay, let's do these. I still can't make my mind up on these ones. I don't know whether I like them or whether they're just a pain in the bum. Okay, 18 and 13. Let's give it a whirl. 11. Ooh, 19. 21. 6. 25. 23, 15, last one, 22. So no match on the numbers. Let's see the amounts. 1,000. That would be lovely on this rainy, miserable day. It would cheer me up. £2, £100, £2, 100. 200, so we want a £2 or 100 or 1,000. Nope, no winner on that one. Let's do the diamond riches. Okay, bonus there. Match, find 3 identical symbols. Let's get cracking. So we've got a key, a horseshoe, star and a pound. Right, so we've got £2 there. Ring, bolt and gold. So just £2 coins so far. 2 rings. Pot of gold. 2 pots of gold. And, oops, 2 stars. Okay. 7. Coin. 2 keys. And 2 bolts. Oh, it's anyone's game. 2 coins. 2 golds. Watch it be a 7. 2 horseshoes. And a 7. Nada. Nada, nada, nada. Nope. Okay. Let's see if these bad boys are lucky. Now, I have not had that before. Is this a good sign or is it an unlucky sign? Let's see. Unlucky. Well, Steve put my teeth in. We'll keep going because we need to look for that. What's it? Clover. I knew it was too good to be true. That's not a 7. I could see that. That's not a 7. Have we got one winner? Dun dun dun. No. How unlucky was that? Here's me thinking I was getting a lucky one. Okay, triple. No. And I've just remembered I have missed a bonus, so we're looking for the fingers. No. Right, is this going to be me lucky 777? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 2 so far. 3. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. 3 so far. That one's a 4. No and no. Okay. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. No luck today. But this one, Cash Vault, done it before to save time because it takes forever. Okay, we've got 20, which is there. 22 here. That's 51. I scratched it off a little bit too much. And 54 is there. Let us see. It will be £3. Yeah. There we go. Not much luck today, but it was fun. I think this one annoyed me. Getting all them 7s there. Anyway, doesn't matter. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to cash in my big winner of the day. Woo, woo, woo. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching and take care. Stay safe. Bye.